Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. I know if you are here, it's probably because you are looking to create consistent characters using Canva, but also animating those characters into videos using Hailuo AI Minimax. So in this video, I am going to walk you through the whole process of creating those characters using Canva, but also how to use Minimax to animate them. I will show you everything that you need to know in order to achieve the result that you are looking for. So now here, the first thing that we have, if you have noticed, is a prompt. A prompt is a text to image prompt that we use to generate our images. This is a text that describe our character, the look, the age, the gender, the outfit, but also like the actions our character is doing. Yeah, it describe our character and how it looks, the appearance and everything. But if you don't know how to create your own prompt, I have another video where I explain how to use ChatGPT to create and customize your prompts so that you can reuse them wherever you want and the way you want it to be. Yeah, so in this video, I'm not going to go over that, but you can definitely go watch that video first and then come back here. Yeah, so that we continue in this video. So here, now that we have a prompt to keep consistency because we really want our character to look the same throughout the whole generated images. So the first thing that we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to add a seed number. A seed number is kind of like an ID number that we are going to include in our prompt every time we are going to generate so that it will keep the consistency. It will help keep the consistency. So yeah, that's why we are going to ask ChatGPT. I hope you know ChatGPT. If you don't, ChatGPT is a chatbot that we can use and it helps us. It helps us do whatever. Like you could just prompt it to do something and it will do it. So you just have to ask any question or to tell it to do something, it will do it for you. So yeah, that's why we are going to tell ChatGPT to add a seed number to this prompt, and the prompt is our prompt. Lena is a 6-year-old girl with wavy brown hair and an innocent appearance, and yeah, all of it. So we just want ChatGPT to add a seed number, not to change this prompt, but just to add a seed number to it. Yeah, and then we just wait for ChatGPT to generate it. Yeah, you can see it has added a seed number. It's so it's just basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can change it to whatever you want. Just have a seed number. That's it. So now we are just going um, to copy it. We can copy the seed, and back here we can add it here. Now we have a seed number. So the next thing that we are going to do is to go to Canva. So Canva is a platform where you can design and do pretty much a lot of things design related. But here, what we are going to do is to search, because this this example that I'm going to show you is mainly for YouTube content purpose, but you can use it for other purposes, right? So that's why, to make it easy for us and make sure that the images that we are going to generate has the resolution we want, the sizing and everything, we just want to use the YouTube sizing standard. So we just search YouTube. Yeah, you can see YouTube, and here we want the landscape, and you can see here the sizing. It's 1920 1080 pixel. So we can click on that one and just choose the blank one, right? Yes, that's it. So now we are here, and the thing that we are going to do is to search. Just come here under applications, apps, and then search for Magic Media, and then just enter, and it will appear here, Magic Media. And then you just click on it, and it will direct you to this page. Now we are here. Magic Media is kind of like a tool. It's AI related. You can use a prompt, write your prompt here, and it will generate the image you want. It also has graphics where you can write a prompt and have the graphic you want. It also can do a text to image directly. You enter a text and describe, and then it will show you. It will generate the video. But in this video, we are not interested in those two. The only one we are interested in is the images. Now, what we are going to do is to go back to our Google Docs and then copy our prompt, the prompt here, and then come back and paste it here. Now you have to make sure that it has limited characters. You have to make sure that the prompt is not the prompt isn't long. So make sure it is short and describe it the way you want. So yeah, let's add the seed number. Seed. Come back here, and then we have our seed number. And then the next thing that we are going to do is to make sure that our character is doing the action we want it to do. So in this prompt, we have Lina is a 6-year-old girl with wavy brown hair and an innocent appearance. She wears a soft purple dress with elbow length sleeves, and so on. And you can see here it says plays with a puppy. This means this part is the action that our character is doing. But in this, let's make sure that we want our photos, our pictures to, and the character to do the action that we want it to do. So for that, let's ask ChatGPT to help us. Give me different tasks a little girl does during her day. She loves gardening, painting, playing guitar, and playing with puppies. So let's just ask ChatGPT to help us with different actions, like different tasks that we will assign then to our character and then generate the pictures the way we want it. So yeah, we just come here and then paste it. Give me different tasks a little girl does during her day. And here I just wanted to, to make sure that ChatGPT knows she loves gardening, painting, playing guitar, and playing. And yeah, you don't have to do this. You could just here you could just get rid of that, and then ChatGPT will give you suggestions. But like for me, I just want ChatGPT to include these. So we just let ChatGPT do the job for us. Yeah, so now you can see ChatGPT has given us some tasks and also the time those tasks are executed. Here, for example, in the morning, she wakes up and stretch. Yeah, so now we can just copy this action and then come back here. And instead of saying plays with puppy, we can just wake up and stretch. And now we can click on generate, and here you make sure that it has the landscape, because this is for YouTube purpose. But if it was for TikTok, for example, you could choose portrait, and if it was for something else, you could choose square, whatever. But here we are choosing the landscape one. And the next, here there is also different styles that you can choose. Like you could choose whatever you want, however you want the picture to look like. If you want all these kind of like styles to be applied to your character. But here I'm not choosing any of them. I'm just going with this. And here you just click on generate image, and we wait. Yes, and here you can see here is the character. It says, yeah, here when she wakes up and all of that. And if you are not satisfied with the picture, you could just regenerate it. Like here, you could just click on this picture because we want our pictures to look like this, and then you just generate more like this, and then we wait. Yeah, here you can see we have other pictures, and then you just choose the one you really want. So choose the one that fits your expectations, and then choose that one, and you can drag it here. Um, just drag it here and arrange it. Yeah, now we have it, and we can move to the next one. Just add another page, and then let's change the prompt to be something else. Let's change the action. So here, gardening time. What we can use waters her plants, checks on flowers, whatever. You just pick something here, right? Let's, for example, say waters her plants. So we come back here. Instead of saying wake up and stretch, we just say waters her plants, and then we generate. Yeah, you can see we have consistency. The look is the same, so we choose this picture for here. And if you're not satisfied, you could choose another picture, right? Or you could just regenerate it. You could click on this one, regenerate, or you could just generate again. It will generate the picture you want, right? Now here for me, I'm choosing this one. And feel free to do it your way. Just modify the prompt and adjust it, and then generate until you find the perfect picture for yourself. Now look at this. You can see the character is the same, the look is the same. So yeah, this is how you do it. And then for our next action, we go back to ChatGPT. Here, runs around the yard and playing fetch and cuddle with her puppies, with her furry friend. Now here, since it's really long, you just modify it so that it will fit the length of our short prompt. So I would just say, hey, I would just say playing with Poopy, like playing with her Poopy, in the yard. I would just say modify it here. So instead of waters her plants, I would say playing with her furry Poopy. Yeah, you can see it has some limits with her Poopy. Yeah, and that's it. And we just generate again. So it really depends on you. You just modify the prompt, make it really short, and that's it. Now you can see we have different pictures. Um, yes, so we can choose whatever we want, like whatever picture we feel like um, best describe the scene. So here I chose this one. I will just arrange it, like adjust it, and here we are. Definitely. And yeah, look, the look is the same. Okay, so this is really cool. This is really cool. And if you're not satisfied with this, just go and regenerate it again. And if you want your character to wear different colors, or have different hairstyle, or whatever, you could also describe how the puppy looks. So it all depends on you. Actually, you just modify it here, and then that's it, right? And yeah, so in the next action, let's say painting and what sets up her easel outside or by the window and paints flowers. Hey, just adjust it, and then paste it there. So here I would just like say paints flowers, and I would just change the playing with her puppy to be paints flowers, and I will generate. Yeah, you can see here, for example, she's here on in the lab. Yeah, you could regenerate it, like let's regenerate or change, modify a little bit the prompt, and then regenerate it and to see how it looks, and then pick whatever you want. It all really depends on you. Yeah, we're just going to keep this one, modify and change things, right? I could also have said painting. And now what's interesting in this is like the look. Look at this. It really looked the same. Like the character is still the same. The look. Um, yeah, this is really great. So here I'm choosing this one. Um, and then adjust it. Yeah, this is it. And then do it for all the other, like all the activities you wanted to do, playing guitar, whatever. And now, when you are done with these pictures, like when you feel like you have all the pictures you need and all the actions that the character is doing, save them in on your computer, like save them somewhere, and then we will head to our next AI tool that we will be using. Now the next step is to yes, the next step is to create to animate our pictures using Hailuo AI. Now Hailuo AI is a platform where you can um, design your pictures, animate them, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. So yeah, you can see examples of what other people have done on this platform. Like this is insane. You can create pictures. You can also animate them, right? Look at this. It's really interesting and it's really beautiful. The world of design and art. Yeah, you can see what other people have done. But in this video, I will be just animating the pictures that we have from Canva. So here you can see you have different options. You could have a free plan. You could subscribe to a standard plan. You could have other plans. If this is something that you are like, if content creation is something that you are really into, sometimes you don't mind, paying some fees just to have access to all the features. But like you also have a free plan here where you can do pretty much everything. It sometimes take a little bit time longer, but like, hey, this is also a possibility for someone who is just starting, right? So here, what we are going to do is to come here to this, to the create. You just click on create, and then it will direct you here. Sorry. And then what you are going to do is to come under this image to video, and you can see I have already done some here in the past. Like you can see some animations that I have done using Hailuo. Look at this, it's stunning, beautiful, and it's so real. Look at this, all these pictures, I have animated them here. Look, this is really cool. Yes, so anyways, we are going to continue with our pictures. So we just click on this, and then we upload our picture here. Sorry, not here. So we click on this, go find your pictures, and then select the picture you want to animate, and then come back here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, now I uploaded the picture, the first picture I want to animate. And here we can just type something. We can just type the action we want them to do. Yeah, just wakes up and stretching, smiling, happy. Yeah, and then you just click on generate here, and you are going to wait for it to generate the video. It will animate it, and you will see the result. And you are going to do this to do the same thing for all the other pictures. Like you just upload a picture. Here, let's select the second picture. Here we have it, and then you just here you write what you want the character to do. For example, I would just say walking in the garden and touching flowers. If you want, you could even add other things to happen. For example, I will add butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. For example, flying around, and then you just click on the generate and wait. So do this for all the other pictures, and then when you are done, um, you could head to voiceover. Like I will do in another video how to, after generating pictures and animating them, how to kind of like add a voiceover, how to add sound effect and music, and also how to edit using CapCut to edit our final visuals, and then how to publish it. So if you are really interested into going through the whole process from, even if you want, I will walk you through how to create a YouTube channel, how to generate all the characters, how to animate them the way we did it here, how to add all the voiceover and all of that, and then how to publish it. So if that is something that you are interested into, please let me know in the comment section so that I will make other tutorials helping you through all that. So here is the result. You can see I said waking up, stretching, and smiling. You can see it's pretty much that. So yeah, you can change it. You could just change, regenerate it and change the prompt, and it will do exactly what you want it to do. Okay. So yeah, this was it. I hope you have learned how to go from Canva, generating all the pictures, but also how to generate them, how to animate them using Hailuo. It was pretty basic tutorial, but I hope this is going to help you kind of learn how to do this. And then if there's anything else that you really need when it comes to AI generated images and videos and all that, please let me know in the comments. Give me some suggestions on what topics you want me to talk about regarding this topic of AI generated videos and all that. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate. Also, if you want to support my channel, please just subscribe, leave a comment, but also like. And yeah, that was it. Thank you so much.